Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I've got a fun preview for you of new items designed by the Stamps of Life but sold exclusively on the HSN website for the July Craft Day. Now, I want to mention something new that YouTube is doing that just appears magically. If you see a QR code in the bottom corner, if you're watching on your TV, scan that QR code with your phone's camera. Tap the yellow link that appears and you'll be taken straight to the product. If you're watching on your phone, there's a banner to click and it takes you straight over to the HSN product to view. And shopping through that link that appears on the screen helps support my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you so much for all those that do that. And I don't know how the link gets there. YouTube adds it automatically. So fun. All right, let's jump into the first product. I've got 8 to share with you today. This first one I absolutely love. This is the Velvet Ribbons and Bow Kit. And oh my goodness, you can see here it comes in this cute case. I love these little embellishment cases that Stephanie's been coming out with for these craft days. You can see here we've got like this cranberry colored bow. We've got green. We've got pink and we've got white. So tons of bows. I can't even imagine to count how many are in here. And then what's also nice is not only do you receive those pre-done bows, but you also receive the matching ribbon. So tons and tons of ribbon, great for adding to your cards, banners, your scrapbook pages, all kinds of things you can do with this ribbon. I know my daughter likes to come in and take mine and add to her hair, so I always get lots of use out of my ribbon. And this is super cute. I love pre-tied bows. Now let's jump into the next product. I've got A2 postage edge card die set. And you can see here, this is large and in charge. I love the postage edge. You always get an idea card that you can scan to take you to more ideas over on the Stamps of Life website. This has "You've Got Mail" along with these other sentiments here that I'll show you here on my card samples. So let me jump into the samples so you can see what I've created. So this one I used "You've Got Mail." And look at that postage edge die, so fun. I'm going to be using this all year long. This next one here I've made with a fun die, and I didn't use any of the large word dies that came with it, but I just used other items that I had in my selection of Stamps of Life products here, one of their pretty pattern papers and one of their stamps. So you don't always have to use the large word die that comes with it. You can make any card with this. So that one was a birthday card. This one says "A paper hug just for you." And I love that sentiment, and this paper is so cute with it. So here's another idea. And I just popped that up on some foam tape. So you can see the dimension here that adds. And then this next one here, I also just used some of my stamps from my collection from the Stamps of Life. You are very cool. But look how that postage edge detail just looks so nice. Oh, and this is one of those velvet ribbons. You can see I added that white velvet ribbon here to the card, and it looks super pretty. So this is the A2 postage edge card die set. Now let's look at the next item. This one is called the Christmas Tree Edge Flip It. So this has little Christmas trees along the edge of your card. Here's the idea card for just some inspiration for you. Here's that Scan Me, so you can scan that with your phone and it'll take you right over to the Stamps of Life gallery. Now this one comes with these embellishments. So you get some epoxy dots here in red, yellow, green, blue, white, 2 shades of red, I believe. Lots and lots of those. And it comes with like a little Christmas tree on here, some wordy bits, the word peace. So you can see it also comes with the word joy, no L. I think it says joy, no L. Super cute. All right, here's my samples. Now this one I made as a fall card, so you don't always have to use it for Christmas. You can see here I used some fun fall paper, so this is more like an outdoorsy card. I think this would be a great masculine card that you could use with the trees, especially if you have someone that likes to hike or just be out in nature. I love that one. And then here's one I made just using the tree. So I didn't use the tree flip it die. I used some of the stuff that's included with it. So like the tree in the middle here, added some vellum. So that's super pretty. So that's a great tree die that comes in the center. This one I used some glitter paper, and I love the way that looks on this tree edge card die. Flip it. And then you can see here one of those velvet bows, and we wish you a Merry Christmas. That set comes right here in the kit. And then the next one I have is, again, using just some different elements here to make it a Christmas card. Changed up the papers. I used some more glitter paper. I just love the way glitter paper looks, but it's a little bit different. And so be sure to leave me a comment at the end of this video and let me know which card is your favorite and which set is your favorite. All right, let's jump into the next one. The next one here is the Merry Christmas Fold It. So this one makes a shaped card, and it's shaped as Merry Christmas. Here's some ideas on the inspiration card for you. And then with this one, it also comes with some embellishments. So we get the die itself. Here's a look at the die itself, Merry Christmas Fold It die. And you can see here it has a couple layers. So you've got that inside layer and then the outside layer to make it easy to make these cards. And then here's the embellishments. It comes with some ornaments. So you can use these not only on these cards, but any of your Christmas making cards or holiday cards, scrapbook pages. And you get tons. You always get tons of embellishments in these kits. So several sheets in here to use. Love these. Now let's look at my samples. So here's one with some glitter paper in the background and then the cardstock over top. And I added a few of those cute little penguins from the Stamps Alive. I added a couple little snowflakes here. Super cute. And see how it's in the shape of Merry Christmas? Now this one I added to just an A2 card base. You can see the difference. It's not the shape, and I didn't use that background layering die, just the inside die, the Merry Christmas. Use that velvet ribbon and then one of those ribbons that was already pre-done. Super pretty there. Just layered some pattern paper in the background. And then this one I did on a gatefold card. So with this one, it's like half of a card, and you've seen us doing these on the design team. So it's just, I glued the front on the half of a gatefold. So I cut out the gatefold card and then just stuck this on the top of it. So that's another idea, just to give you a different look. So this one, you can see it opens all the way up. And then this one, you can see that green cardstock peeking through at the top, but not at the bottom because it's just half. And then here I've used it on a scrapbook page. So I made an 8x8 scrapbook layout here. You can add your photos. And that Merry Christmas is large and in charge. It just looks so cute on this scrapbook page as a title. Added a couple of the fun little gingerbread men just to mix things up a little bit and give you more ideas to use with your set. All right, this next one, oh, I love this one. This is the Slimline Nutcracker Fold It die set. And this one is super cute. So let me show you, here's the idea card, and then look at all the pieces that you get with this one. So this can make a nutcracker, but you don't always have to make the full card. We get the extra like layering pieces to make it easy. So this you'll just paper piece, cut it several times through your die cut machine, and you can make it any color you want. And if you can mix and match the colors and make several at one time. So here's one that I did using some non-traditional Christmas colors. I used pink and teal here. I think that's super fun. I added some googly eyes. I love doing that on all the critters that Stamps Alive has and little people. So there you go. And I added some little glitter details here with some glitter paper. Here's one with your more traditional colors on a slimline card. And then this Merry, Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. That was from a previous HSN set. Oh, I loved that one because it had like the 3 different layers for the word dies. That was one of my favorites. Several shows back. It might have been a year ago now. And then here I put it on a step-up card. So I didn't use the whole nutcracker. I just use the head and put it on there. So I love the way that stands up. You can put that on display when you give someone. I always love cards that people can put on display. And then this one I've made on an A2 card. So you can see the difference, and I used an arch die here. I used that beautiful ribbon. You can see the ribbon on this one and also that other pink one. You can see I used some of that ribbon there. But use the same die, but lots of different looks here, adding them to all 4 different bases, basically. One how it was intended, a slimline, a step up, and an A2 card. This next one is called With Love at Christmas. And this has fun Christmas tree edge details. And then you also get some great word sentiments. You receive some embellishments here, so some wordy bits, and then also some epoxy stickers, these Christmas trees. So these will be great to add to your Christmas cards. You can even add these little sentiments to tags. Like I can see making cute little Christmas tags and adding the word or even just the trees. That would look so cute on tags. And then here's the die itself. And it comes with these great big word sentiments. I love when she includes all these. So, you know, you can see you're getting a ton of dies for your money. So it's a great value on the HSN website. So let's look at the samples. So I've got With Love at Christmas, and this came with it. I added a few little pine cones here from the Stamps of Life website. There's that velvet ribbon making its appearance again. I use lots of it on my cards. I just love it. So there we go, and you can see that tree detail along the edges. Then we've got Sending You Christmas Cheer. Now that one came with this set as well. And I added a few of the little penguins. I just love those little guys. And you can see here, you know, just cut out the card, add your sentiment, a few die cuts, and you're done. Super quick, super easy. Here's one. I thought the trees would look cute with the snowman. So I added a little snowman to the center, stamped a sentiment here. Popped him up on some foam, and there I've got a card. I love that detail. Like, that's unique. When you send this to someone, they're going to remember your card, right? Because it has such it's different. It's not like something you're going to buy at the store. You can tell that I put a lot of time into this, but maybe I didn't, right? And I love that little guy. So these are super fun. Love these. Let's see. And then the next one that I have here is called the Swirl Christmas Tree. So this one is a folded die set. Here's the inspiration card. So here's some ideas for you. And this one has a nice swirl detail that you can add to your cards, but you don't have to use the swirl. So it's optional. You have a choice if you want to use it, but it's so pretty. Especially if you use some foil paper or specialty paper here. You can see how that would be just absolutely gorgeous. And then this one actually comes with foil paper, so why not use it? You get a ton of sheets here in both the red and the green. So you can use these on these cards, or you can just, use them for any card that you make. I love when foil paper is included. It's like a bonus for purchasing the die. I just love that. So here it is, super pretty. Let me show you my samples. Now this one's on a 5x7 card. So I cut out that swirl tree using that foil specialty paper. Can you see how pretty that is? It just shines and shimmers. There's that ribbon at the top there. Added that to a 5x7 card base and used some other dies from the Stamps of Life website and stamps to make a Merry Christmas front for that. And then this next one here, I did not use the swirls, but I just used the layering pieces here and made the tree into a tree folded card, so a shaped card with some glitter paper. So that's super pretty, but you can see how the difference in size. And then this one I placed on an A2 card front. And this one, again, I did not use the swirls, but remember those little those little lights from the other kit? I used those here and just wrapped some thread around there. And then here I've used the swirl die and added this to one of the gatefold cards. So it's like a half of an edge here. So I love that. Added one of those cute little gingerbread men. And there's the ribbon again, making an appearance. And I stamped this sentiment on here. I thought it said Season's Greetings when I first stamped it. It says Season's Sweetings, I believe. It's so cute, and it has that cute little gingerbread man. So fun. All right, and then I've got another one still. So this next one is called the Crisscross Christmas Tree Card Die Set. Now this one has directions on here. You just cut several layers and then you glue the layers back to back and it makes it dimensional. So here's some ideas on the back. Now you don't have to make it dimensional. You can make it a flat card as well. It also will fold flat for mailing when you make it as intended. So here's a look at the die set, and I love that this one comes with like layering pieces for your Christmas tree. So we've got the candy canes and the star, and we've got stockings and bulbs. And then this one comes with a whole pack of these sparkly gems. So you can see here multiple colors and several sheets of these. So these definitely come in handy for card making. All right, now this first idea, I made it, but I made it as a tag that can go on a gift bag. So I added some of that velvet ribbon and I thought I could just add this and like spice up a gift bag, right? Put my gift in there and then put that dimensional tree on there. Glue my tag to the bag, and there we go. It's super fancy. I thought it'd also be cute like hanging around a wine bottle, like if you take a bottle of wine for a gift at Christmas. Here I placed it on a step-up card, so I only cut one layer instead of the 3 or 4 layers. I just cut one and made it into a card, so you have multiple different uses for this. There's that pink velvet ribbon, so pretty. And then the next one here, I also just cut out one layer, and this one I added to an A2 card. So you can see the difference here with this one. Oh no, this one I did on a gatefold. So this one is just the half of it on a gatefold here. And I added some of the cute little fun winter critters from the Stamps of Life. So you don't have to use it as, you know, dimensional. You can use it for other ideas as well. And here's again, just one layer and adding it to the front of an A2 card. So I hope these ideas have given you some inspiration. If you do decide to purchase anything from the HSN website, if you have any questions, you can drop those down below. Again, I'd really appreciate it if you click on the link that pops up throughout the video. YouTube magically adds those for me, and I do receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment with your favorite item down below. Thanks. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.